When I moved here in '93, I thought it was just a cow town, and I was so surprised how much tech there is here, and just, it's a great place to raise kids. My dad owned a real estate company back in the late 70s, early 80s, and so I was just around the business growing up. I work in real estate because I just love to help people, whether I have to, do hours and hours of preparation. I don't wing it, and they always appreciate that. I stay current on the Kansas City market just by doing a lot of studying the market trends, the number of sales, new construction. What people seek is information. After all these years, after being in the business here in Kansas City for 30 years and Michigan for 10 years, I still like helping first-time buyers. They are looking for guidance, and sometimes I feel like their dad or grandpa. Everybody remembers their first car, their first girlfriend, boyfriend, their first day in college. They all remember their first house, and I get so thrilled to give them their first set of keys. It's something they'll remember forever. My name is Bryan Bechler, and I look forward to building a long-term relationship with you.